Absolutely beautiful, guys. Look at this. Huge 8-foot porch. Absolutely massive. Look at that, guys. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Look at that. Look at that porch. Huge porch. Let's take you inside here. As you can see, the porch is on a hinge system, so that's going to fold down for transportation. And all these railings are going to be taken out so we can transport this all over the country. Look at this, guys. Look at this. Absolutely beautiful. Isn't that beautiful? Look at this craftsmanship, guys. Look at the craftsmanship. Absolutely beautiful. I mean, my goodness. Look at those stairs, guys. Wow. Wow. Talk about the dream cabin, right? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Got a spot under here for your doggy. I love my dog, little dog bone mat. Isn't that cute? No space is wasted here, guys. No space is wasted. Over here, okay, this will go, we put a back porch on here if you want. Let's open this up and see. Got a little back porch on it. Turn around, look at that. Got your cabinets. Washer and dryer hookups right over here. Got your 200 amp electric already ready to roll. Got your electric ready to go there. Okay. Just beautiful. Absolutely beautiful.
Yeah, that would put it to work.
And over here you got a bathroom. We don't have it wired up, but you can see here.
You can do that.
Okay, oh, got some electric. We do have it wired up. Perfect. There you go. So there's a, there you go. We got a little closet here. There you go. Isn't that cool? Isn't that beautiful? Look at the quality. Look at the craftsmanship, guys. Look at the quality and look at the craftsmanship. Isn't that beautiful, guys? Just beautiful. Just beautiful. Again, look at this. Look at these views, guys. Look at these views. Look at these views. Isn't that beautiful? Amish built furniture. Isn't that beautiful? All kinds of natural light coming in. Okay. Isn't that beautiful? Look at those steps. Let's go up here and give you another view. Up here, look at that. Look at that, guys. Wow. Give me a call today, guys. Let's get you one of these beautiful Amish built cabins on your land. Give us a call. These are just beautiful. You go through this door up here in the lofted area, and this one has not been finished yet, but it can be. Just a beautiful home, guys. Just a beautiful home. Look at that.
Hey everybody, we are in the Rocky model park, RV park model. We actually did a video for you all yesterday. We have one exactly like this on the lot that I'm gonna get into the detail and talk about the differences and upgrades and stuff like that we can do. So if you guys haven't watched that video, go back and watch the video. That way you can see what I'm gonna talk about here. So from the very beginning, the one that we have on the lot, as you walk in, we have the kitchen just like this, but we do have a smaller living room and a bedroom right here. But to be honest, I fell in love with this one because it makes it really nice and spacious. spacious. I love it over here. My son is really acting like he's so but we did a drive and he's just chilling over here. But anyways, these are some of, I want to go over the upgrades because I love this one. This is actually, I think, for a customer that they made upgrades with the countertops. This is the coarse countertops. Very cool. And if you guys remember the video we did yesterday and Osi can correct me if I'm wrong, I think we had shelves on this side.
Yeah, we had shelves kind of like this, but we didn't have full-blown kitchen cabinets like this.
Exactly, and that's what I was talking about yesterday, that you can turn these shelves into the cabinets. But some people like the static, which I do too. I think it just gives it a different vibe. It's really nice. And of course, the accent color makes all the difference. And in this one, actually, we have the same size stove, but we do have a little surprise over here. A little mini dishwasher comes handy.
Very handy. Can't go wrong with the dishwasher.
Exactly.
And something I wanted to point out as well, on the other model, it stops right here.
I think so.
But over here, they built an L-shaped island here, so that way you have a sitting room over here for your when you're having your meals. So you have 2 stools here, and now you have a spot to chill when you are eating your meal. Actually, I just noticed too, Nadia, could you?
Yes, I noticed that.
There's
more storage.
some storage space there that I just noticed.
Nice and deep.
Yeah, so now you have another closet here with more storage underneath the bar area. Okay, so super cool.
And look at this little nook over here to hang your clothes, store your shoes, or whatever you want to do. And it's the same color as the cabinets, just to bring everything together. And more cabinets up here. To be honest, there's plenty of cabinet space in this little RV model.
Yep.
And then again, I think everything else is the same as the one that we have on the lot currently, and that one.
Yeah, just the color scheme is different. They went with this kind of ocean, beachy, white and blue concept, which I think really kind of looks it's almost like you're on a permanent vacation, in this.
It feels truly like home, or I think this makes a great Airbnb.
Absolutely.
If you want to do that, which a lot of our customers love that. Walk-in shower, another window over here, stackable washer and dryer.
Whirlpool, right?
Yes.
Top of the line brand.
Absolutely.
And the windows are Anderson windows. And again, take a look at this, guys. Look at this shot of this living room and how open, airy, and look at the colors.
All the windows, really.
Yeah, lots. Again, when you're in a smaller space and you have a shed style roof on the front side, big windows, dark floors, white walls or light walls and a light ceiling, it's gonna make the space feel a lot more open, airy, and livable, okay? All right, guys, let's say you're looking for a beautiful cabin, but you just want something that's only $45,000. This is the one we call the Carrot Top. Beautiful cabin. It's an all-wood cabin with a tin roof, 26-gauge metal roof. You got your double pane vinyl windows, easy clean. This one here, like I said, has got the 6-foot by 28-foot front porch. It's a 14 by 28 livable. So with the porch open, you're 20 by 28 with the porch open. It's just a simple little cabin. Let me show you inside real quick. Like I said, this one's only $45,000, so it don't take but a second to walk through it here. Open up the front door, and bam, straight ahead, you got your kitchen, the old kitchenette area there. Really nice size, open concept living room. You got them beams up there, isn't that pretty? Got them beautiful knotty pine floors, and then when you turn around this way and look over that way, you got your little bedroom there, which we can frame that out if you want us to close it off. You got a storage nook up top there, like a loft. That's where your bathroom's gonna go, and then you got a little nook over here where you put your little closet. So again, this one is only $45,000 as is. Let me step back so you can see it in all its glory. It's called the Carrot Top. Very popular cabin. Again, just $45,000 as is, or you can go smaller. We can do different sizes, but this one here is a 14 by 28, like I said, just like you see it, for 45 grand. Or we can put electric, plumbing, heating, cooling, tubs, toilets, and sinks in, make it turnkey for 60,000. Give us a call today, 812-595-4033. That's 812-595-4033. Getting beautiful cabinets. And this is the one we got called the Carrot Top. Okay, this is just a little walkthrough video. Let me show you the outside of it again real quick. And then I know y'all are busy, so I'll let y'all go after this. Here you go. It's got a 26 gauge metal roof on it. We call it Carrot Top because it got an orange roof on it. This one is available for sale off the lot. 45 grand, let's get it done, plus shipping and setup. Or we can do one custom for you. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Y'all have a blessed day. Don't forget to smash the subscribe button, hit the like, share, and follow. Appreciate you watching my content. Link is in the bio. We are AmishBuiltCabins.com.